from Edo State. Onwoni Igbo, fully blooded Igbo man. We have 4 local governments in Edo State, being an Igbo speaking community, autonomous there. Whereby His grace, this Ojemba and Unified Igbo, we are bringing all Igbo community in 13 states in Nigeria together. We have been working this movement over 3 years or 4 years, thereabout. What I'm trying to say is that this journey, I'm pleading for our traditional rulers, Ndị Nze, Ndị Okparuku, to join us in this race. Let us start building our Igbo nation leadership. If we have Igbo leadership, the Igbo leadership, like all the kings, you visit, for example, now the king in Enugu here, visit the king in Igbanke. The king in Igbanke here, visit the king in maybe Anambra. The thing will be bringing the unity of Ndị Igbo, like what Ojemba is doing, what the Unified Igbo is doing, because we are really doing work to make sure that all Igbo will come together as a big nation, because we know that we are a big nation. Talking to us here today, all what Igbos in Edo State is suffering today, the marginalization is too much. Since where we've been, after leaving Benden, there's nothing, we are no light, no road. Today we are suffering. If we can build Igbo nation, Igbanke is a viable community. We have oil and gas. We have a lot of mineral resources. Today, the mineral resources, where you can hear the Oba Obini said that there is no a part of Edo land will join Anyama. It's because of what we have in Orion there. That's why he is saying it. But I'm trying for let us build Igbo nation. If we build Igbo nation, we know what we are agitating. That Igbo nation, let us govern ourselves. Let us govern ourselves. When we govern ourselves, we rule ourselves independently. Because Ndị Nze, the traditional rulers, the elites, let us work with this Igbo unification project. As we do so, may Chukwu Kikabiama bless us.
Akajo for one of Bankeland.